So in this video, we're going to see one of the best extensions or plugins to find out the broken links in your WordPress website and to redirect them to the new link, or to find out the 404 errors, or uh, track which of the following links are broken in your website, as there are plenty of the links in your website, so you cannot check each of them manually. So this plugin will help you identify, track, and fix that. So just search redirect on plugin and activate it. Scroll down a little bit and activate the plugin. Now just mm, start the setup. Don't go for the manual one. It is a bit complex. You are going to start with the basic. So tick all these options and click continue. Now import existing redirects. If I have currently installed, I think this is why it is showing to me. So click on continue and wait for the, because the WordPress uses REST API to connect links. So make sure it is good and continue. Otherwise, there may be a firewall or something may be blocking it. Click continue and ready to start. So as you can see, there are plenty of links and we can check each of them, that are they working properly or not. So as you can see, uh, check redirect, and as you can see, if 301 is a redirect code, and if it properly opens, then which it is considered 200 green code. So as you can see, this link is perfectly working. These are the different type of codes which identify different problems, maybe in red, green, or yellow, like server error, or 401 unauthorized, that you are not an authorized person or to get to that. So you can check out the logs of which previous website you, which previous link you visited, etc. So that's it for this video, and comment down below on which topic you want a next video on. Thank you very much.